everybody, welcome back, and today we are talking about shapes. Now, shapes have different attributes or characteristics that make them what they are. You know, we think of shapes and we think about the different numbers of sides or corners that they may have. And so let's look at a few and see if we can figure out what shapes we're talking about. I've got some clay. We're going to see if we can make some here. But first, let's just start with this one. What do you notice about this shape? Well, I noticed that, hey, there's 4 different sides going around the outside. All the sides are the exact same length. So that's a really important attribute or characteristic of this shape. There are 4 different corners to the shape as well, and this is a square. 4 sides, 4 corners, and all the sides are the exact same length. So let's see if we can make one here. And I've got to make sure that I choose one that has those same characteristics or attributes. I think this is the one here. Okay, so let's check and make sure. Do we have 4 sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got it. 4 corners, and all the sides are the same. We've got ourselves a square. Now, let's look at another shape that is kind of similar to this. You're going to see a lot of things that are alike to the square. And what do you notice that this shape has in common with a square? I noticed that, hey, there's 4 sides again. There's 4 different sides. There's also 4 different corners. Well, that's the same as what our square had. But there is a difference in this shape and the square. Are all the sides the same length? Well, no. I can see that the top and the bottom are definitely longer than the ones on the end. This is a rectangle. So we've got ourselves a rectangle right here. Let's see if we can make one in our clay. As I'm looking for one, I need 4 sides, I need 4 corners, and we've got it. And notice that the top and the bottom are the same length, and my 2 sides on the end are the same length, but they're not all 4 the same. So there we've got a rectangle. Okay, now another 2D shape or flat shape we can come up with. What if they have no sides? Something like this, perfectly round, that goes all the way. This is a circle. There are no corners here. There are no side lengths. We have just a round figure, and we've got ourselves a circle, and that is right here, right? There's no corners here. I can't just go straight to a corner, so that's very different from the last couple of shapes. Let's do one more real quick. If I'm looking at this shape, how many corners do you see? 1, 2, 3. How many sides do you see? 1, 2, and 3. That's great. This is a triangle. We've got ourselves a triangle, and we could make one here. How many shapes could you make around your house? Can you make some here today? I bet you can. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you again real soon.